Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how you can edit a WhatsApp message on WhatsApp web that you have sent. To keep it in mind, this feature only works for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, when you've sent a message, you shall not be able to edit it. So for example, if I typed here, "Good afternoon, sir," then I sent that message, and then I realized that I misquoted the gender, and it was supposed to be "Good afternoon, madam." I come back to this message here. I click on the arrow besides it, and then you'll see this pop up here, and then I click on edit. So after I click on edit, then you can edit here to madam, and then you click on this tick right there, and your message will be right there. "Good afternoon, madam." Quick reminder once again, within a 15-minute window frame is when you can be able to